Step by step.
Look after something. Sorry, I can't come to lunch today.
Why not?
I have to look after the restaurant while my boss is away.
Make somebody's day. Thanks for bringing me some coffee this morning.
You're welcome.
It really made my day.
昨天说到呢，我要参加我最好的朋友 Ivy 的婚礼。后来呢，婚礼的服装的问题呢是顺利的解决了，但是又出现一个更棘手的问题 ：My business and my dog. Who's going to look after them? 我很想要参加 Ivy 的海岛婚礼，但是去参加婚礼的这个礼拜啊，我的工作 my business 跟我的狗 my dog， 他们要负责，谁要照看他们呢 ？Look after 是个很常见的片语，我们常常把 look after 跟 take care of 交互使用，用来指照顾啊、照看的意思。后面的受词呢可以接人、动物 look after someone， 或是呢东西。或是一件事情 look after something， 后面接生物的话呢，当然就是指照顾啦。Someone needs to take care of， 或者是呢 look after my dog while I'm away. Someone needs to take care of or look after my dog while I'm away. 如果是事情 look after something 的话呢，就是指负责某一样东西的意思，确保那一件事情顺利进行。我们尤其喜欢呢用这个片语来指工作，像是呢我稍早说的 I need someone to look after my business until I get back. I need someone to look after my business until I get back. 我需要有人在我回到工作岗位之前，先帮我打理生意。怎么办啊 ？Now what？ 哦，等等，我看一下讯息。还好这一回的讯息是个好消息。My sister is going to help me look after my business and my dog. Yay! My sister is going to help me look after my business and my dog. This message really made my day. 太好啦，我妹要来帮忙我。这封讯息真的让我太开心了。Make someone's day 或是 make somebody's day 的意思呢，就是使某一个人非常开心的意思。换句话说，就是呢 ，This message from my sister made me really happy. Make someone's day， 那这个片语呢，可以怎么理解呢？就是让原本平凡无奇的一天突然都亮了起来，这样子的感觉。这下子所有的问题都解决啦！我要赶快把这个能够顺利参加婚礼的消息跟 Ivy 说。I hope this makes her day. Bye.